Managing customers' conversation manually on WhatsApp can take up a lot of time, especially when you have to reply again and again. But what if you could automate everything with a professional WhatsApp messaging system? Yes, you can do it by creating a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can build a complete professional WhatsApp messaging system, step by step without any coding. So using this WhatsApp chatbot, you will be able to send instant WhatsApp messages to your customers, and your customers can check out the services within the WhatsApp without visiting multiple websites. So now let me show you how this WhatsApp chatbot is going to work, and afterwards we will build it step by step using Pabbly Chatflow. So right here I'm on my WhatsApp, and let's say I'm the user or the customer who want to interact with this business. So here I will be sending a message that is hello, and this message is going to initiate my WhatsApp chatbot which I have already built in. So right here you can see that as I have entered this message that is hello, I'm getting this welcome message with two buttons, that is book a service and get pricing. So now I will be selecting this first button, that is book a service, and as I have selected it, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter my full name. So here I'm going to enter my full name as demo user. So here I have provided my name, and as I have provided my full name, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter my location or the area. So here I will be entering my location or the area as Bhopal, and as I have provided it, I'm getting the list of the services provided by this business. So now let's open this list and check out the services. So here I'm going to open this list, and let's say here we are getting all these services. So here I will be selecting this first service, that is home cleaning, as I have created this WhatsApp chatbot for my home service business, but you can modify it according to the business you are running. And right here you can see that I'm getting this confirmation message. Now let's move on towards my second button, that is get pricing, and as I have selected this button, I'm getting this message consisting the pricing of these services. So now you have seen that by using this WhatsApp chatbot, you doesn't have to send these messages again and again asking for the details of the user and even providing them the services provided by your business, because this WhatsApp chatbot is going to do it by automating this task. So now let me show you how I have created this amazing messaging system by using Pabbly Chatflow, and for that you have to access the flow page of Pabbly Chatflow. So now let's move on towards the flow page. So right here I'm on the flow page of Pabbly Chatflow, which is the most important window for creating this WhatsApp chatbot or this automated WhatsApp messaging system. So if you are an existing user, then you definitely know how to get onto this page, but if you are a new user to the Pabbly Chatflow, then you have to access it by tapping the URL of the Pabbly Chatflow over the new tab, that is pabbly.com/chatflow, and once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Chatflow first time, then you can just click over the sign up free, and if you sign up account for free over the Pabbly Chatflow, you get 100 free credits every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Chatflow. Means you are getting a chance for testing this WhatsApp chatbot or this messaging system for freely inside Pabbly Chatflow. But if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over this sign in, and if you like this WhatsApp chatbot and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use this discount coupon code before buying any of our Pabbly product. But I will suggest you to firstly try out our Pabbly Chatflow, Pabbly Connect, and many more amazing applications provided by Pabbly, and afterwards you can proceed towards the subscription plans. Now let's move on towards the flow page, where don't forget to add your WhatsApp number with the Pabbly Chatflow account. And if you want to learn this entire process, then you can check the video given on the description. Now here I have provided the flow, the name, build a professional WhatsApp messaging system. And here we are getting this option for trigger. So now you might be wondering, what is this trigger? So trigger is the event which initiates our WhatsApp chatbot, and this trigger event can be keyword or the regex entered by your users, or if your user starts the conversation, or many more. But here I am going to keep it as keyword regex match. Now you might be wondering, what is this keyword and regex? So keywords are the words which initiate your WhatsApp chatbot, and as we have recently interacted with our WhatsApp chatbot, we have initiated it by entering this word, that is hello. So I am going to make this word as my keyword keyword. So I'm going to just type it over here and press the enter key, and here our keyword is ready. And afterwards we are getting this option for regex. So regex is basically the short form for the regular expression. These are used for the advanced user input. So if you want to trigger any of the advanced user input, then you can enter regex like this. But for now, as I already have my keyword, so I'm removing this regex from here. And here you can also enable the skip trigger matching too. And on your left hand side you can see these messages and action blocks, which you can think as main building block for creating this WhatsApp chatbot flow. So you can drag any of these blocks and create the flow for your WhatsApp chatbot. Now if a user sends me a message, I'm going to send them a welcome message, and for that you just have to drag and drop, and right here you can see all these message notes which can be seen over here too. So you can get it by drag or drop too. And here I'm going to select text button. Now in this text button node, I'm going to enter a welcome message for my customers. So here I have entered this welcome message for my customers. Now I am going to create a button by simply selecting this add button, and here I am going to enter my button name as book a service. Now from this field of the button type, you can select your button type as quick reply or link. If you want this button to react as a link, now we just have to click over the save button, and right here we have successfully created our button. Now I am going to create one more button over here. So here I have created my second button too. Now if my user select this first button, that is book a service, I'm going to ask them some questions. So for that we just have to move over the actions, where you will see this node that is ask question, which you have to select. And now here I'm going to enter a question asking for the full name of my client or the customer. So here I have entered this question, and now from this field of the contact custom field, I'm going to select my contact custom field as full name. And now you might be thinking, what is this contact custom field? So you can think of contact custom field as a particular column which consists of the particular data. So here this contact custom field full name will consist of the full name provided by my user as the response, and afterwards I'm going to select my format as any. Now if you wish to create your own contact custom field, then you just have to move over the settings, where you will see this option of contact custom fields, which you have to select, and you will be landed to the contact custom fields page, which I have already opened. And here you can create your own contact custom field by simply selecting this add more field button. And now likewise I'm going to add one more question over this flow. So here I have entered this another question asking for the location or the area, and now if my user provides me answer of both these questions, I'm going to provide them list of the services provided by my business for which they can make the booking. So for that we just have to drag and drop, and right here we are getting this option for list, which you have to select. And now in this list node, it is asking me to enter header, body and footer for the list. So here the necessary one is the body, so I'm going to enter it. So here I have entered the body of my list. Now I'm going to create a section by simply selecting this add section, and here I'm going to enter my section title as services, and afterwards in this section I'm going to add some services or some list items. So for that we just have to click over this add items, and here we are getting this dialog box which is asking me to enter the title and the description. So here I'm going to enter the title of the first service provided by my business. So right here I have created this first item of my list or the first service, that is home cleaning. Now likewise I'm going to add some more items to this list. And right here you can check out that I have added two more services to my list, that is AC repair and electrical work. Now I want to get that response which my user has selected, and for that you have to provide contact custom field to all these list items. And for providing the contact custom field, you have to select the set custom field node given over the actions block. So here I'm going to select it. Now I'm going to connect it with my first list item. Now let's select the contact custom field as service type. Now here it is asking me to enter the value, so here I'm going to enter the same value for which I'm creating this contact custom field. So here I have entered the value. Now likewise I'm going to provide contact custom fields to remaining list items too. So here I have provided contact custom field to all these list items. Now if my user selects any of these list items, I am going to provide them a confirmation message in the text button node. So right here I have provided this confirmation message in the text button node. Now let's move on towards my second button, that is get pricing. So I'm going to provide the pricing in the text button node again. So here I have provided the pricing. So with this we are done with our flow. Now you can also create a flow like this for whatever business you are running and automate the messaging system over your WhatsApp. And now you don't have to manually reply again and again to your customers, and you don't have to manually ask for their details, because this automation or this WhatsApp chatbot is going to do so. And now don't forget to save this flow by simply selecting the save button, and right here you can see that we are getting this pop-up which says flow updated successfully. So now you have seen that how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot. So you can modify it according to you, and you can use these messages and action notes. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow now, and I have provided the link of the flow which I have recently created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And if you face any doubts or challenges, then don't forget to mention it in the comment section, and make sure to use the coupon code STUYT before buying any of our Pabbly product. So thank you for watching this video.
And not only this chatbot, you can build many more amazing chatbots like this by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to learn more about the pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then hit the like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.